Welcome to Skiller. Test your Azure DNS and load balancing skills with MCQs on setup, traffic flow, and troubleshooting. Question 1. What is Azure DNS primarily used for? The correct answer is hosting DNS zones and records for domain name resolution. Azure DNS is used to host DNS zones and records for public or private name resolution. Question 2. Which DNS record type is used to point a domain to an IPv4 address? The correct answer is a record. An A record maps a domain to an IPv4 address. Question 3. What's the key difference between Azure public and private DNS zones? The correct answer is public zones resolve names over the internet. Private zones work within VNets. Public DNS zones resolve names on the internet, while private DNS zones handle name resolution within VNets. Question 4. Which Azure resource distributes incoming internet traffic to multiple VMs? The correct answer is Azure Public Load Balancer. An Azure Public Load Balancer distributes internet-facing traffic across VMs or services. Question 5. What is the primary use of an internal load balancer? The correct answer is balance traffic within a virtual network or between VNets. An internal load balancer distributes traffic between services within Azure VNets, not exposed to the internet. Question 6. What protocol types can Azure Load Balancer handle? The correct answer is TCP/UDP only. Azure Load Balancer supports Layer 4, TCP/UDP, traffic. Question 7. Which Azure service should you use to load balance global HTTP traffic across regions? The correct answer is Azure Traffic Manager. Azure Traffic Manager uses DNS-based routing to direct traffic across global regions. Question 8. Which diagnostic tool helps troubleshoot Azure Load Balancer issues? The correct answer is Load Balancer Health Probes. Health probes check the availability of backend pool instances to ensure correct traffic routing. Question 9. What happens if a VM in a load balancer's backend pool fails the health probe? The correct answer is traffic is rerouted to a healthy instance. When a health probe fails, traffic is automatically rerouted to healthy backend instances. Question 10. Where do you configure the front-end IP and backend pool in Azure Load Balancer? The correct answer is within the Load Balancer resource blade. You configure front-end IPs, backend pools, rules, and health probes in the Load Balancer blade. Like, subscribe, and share to keep learning with Skiller.